Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, March the 20th, 2021. Yes, today is Sunday and I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzle in the yesterday's newspaper in the additional. Yes, and today we have the last puzzle and this will be number 2509. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 printed digits. A lot of printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can you see the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. Then the dual box. I see here the dual box. The dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so I mark those 2 boxes. Alright. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes? No. I see here the quadra box. Here also a quadra box. Then the following method is to recognize some shapes or figures or construction. For example, the T connection. The T connection, construction, not connection, T construction. Remember, this box has the same number as that box. And so I mark this box as the same number as that box. So this should be also a 4. Alright. And remember, that box has the same number as this box, so it should be a 2. Alright. So now 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 5 are missing. Alright, I mark those 2 numbers. Do we have more T? Yes. Upside down, the T. This box has the same number as that box, so this should be a 1. And that box has the same number as this box. Here also rotated in 90 degrees. This box has the same number as that box, so this should be also a 5. And that box has the same number as this box. Do we have more T construction? No. Then the L construction, the L upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. More L shapes? No. Then this kind of shape here. This box has the same number as that box. So this should be also a 2. Alright. Okay. And this figure is upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here also the same figure. This box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of structures? No. So we can start. Alright. We have in this area 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then let me see. 4, 4. Okay. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 1 digit left in this area for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this L shape for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then Then, let me think. Think hard. These two boxes cannot be a 1. Those two boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box. Oh, no. This is a quadra box. I cannot put a 5 in a quadra box. Big mistake. Almost. Yes. So people, don't forget, in a quadra box, there's no 5 in a quadra box. Okay. 4. Okay. So this box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4, but also that box cannot be a 4. I need a 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So 2 boxes left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. 4. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These two boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2. I need a 1 and a 2 in one of those two boxes, and it cannot be a 3, and it cannot be a 4 in this area. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Alright, 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. The 5 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be 2. Oh, no. The 4, I need a 4 here. I cannot do this. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This one is also a hard one. 1 star, I don't believe this. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 1 and a 5. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. This box should be the 1, and that box should be a 5. So this box cannot be a 1 in this area. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. 1 and 3, and this box is connected with that box. Also 1 and a 3. We see here 3. So this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so it must be a 1. And this one is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 3. Okay. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5, definitely a 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 3. One box left in this area for the number 1. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2 in this quadra box. Cannot be a 4. We have a 4 here. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes. And look, the 2 and the 4, that means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 1. And that box should be a 2. One box left in this corner box for the number 1. Now I have a 1 here. So this I have marked those two boxes with a 1. This box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Should be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Two numbers left in this T construction for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be a 2. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Alright. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 boxes left in this T shape for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in together with the 5 as a pair in those two boxes. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. I have marked those two boxes with the 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be the 4. Alright. 3 numbers left. Yes. 5. 3 is missing. Yes. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be 1, cannot be 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and that box should be a 1. Then I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 2. I have double 4 here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. Okay. So the 2 numbers are left, the 2 and the 3 in this quarter box. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this L shape for the number 5. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright. Yeah, 1 or 2 stars I give this one. You need to think hard, but you can solve this. I promise you, look better, and you can solve this one. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great Sunday. See you tomorrow on Monday. Bye bye for now.